Sheet metal design is a critical aspect of modern manufacturing and engineering, involving the creation of components from flat sheets of metal through various processes such as cutting, bending, and forming. This design approach is pivotal in industries ranging from automotive to aerospace, electronics, and construction, where durability, precision, and efficiency are paramount. One of the foundational elements of sheet metal design is understanding material properties. Different metals, including aluminum, steel, copper, and titanium, offer varied characteristics in terms of strength, weight, and corrosion resistance. Selecting the right material is crucial for ensuring the longevity and functionality of the final product. For instance, aluminum is prized for its lightweight properties and resistance to corrosion, making it ideal for aerospace applications, while steel's strength and durability are indispensable in construction and automotive sectors. Designing for manufacturability is another key consideration in sheet metal design. This involves creating designs that are not only functional but also easy and cost-effective to produce. Engineers must consider factors such as bend allowances, which account for material stretching during bending, and the minimum bend radius, which prevents cracking. Utilizing computer-aided design (CAD) software, designers can simulate these processes, optimizing designs before any physical manufacturing takes place. This helps in reducing material wastage and improving overall efficiency. Moreover, advancements in technology have significantly enhanced sheet metal design. Computer numerical control (CNC) machines and laser cutters have revolutionized the precision and complexity achievable in sheet metal fabrication. These technologies allow for intricate cuts and forms that were previously unattainable, expanding the possibilities for innovative designs. Sustainability is also an emerging focus in sheet metal design. By optimizing material usage and recycling scrap metal, manufacturers can minimize waste and reduce environmental impact. Additionally, the durability and recyclability of metals make them a sustainable choice for long-term applications. In conclusion, sheet metal design is a multifaceted discipline that requires a deep understanding of material properties, manufacturing processes, and technological advancements. As industries continue to evolve, the importance of innovative, efficient, and sustainable sheet metal design will only grow, driving advancements in various sectors.